This noise feels like it's never going to end. Maybe you should go up there and check on him.
What noise was that? It's the perfect melody. Music heals the soul, my love.
But he hasn't been out of his room for a while. I think he needs help, actually.
Wait a second, honey. Maybe I should go talk to my son.
Oh, excuse me. Is that you, Dad? I didn't hear you come in.
Of course you didn't, my boy. How are the rehearsals going? I came to check up on you.
The rehearsals are not going well at all, Dad. My songs are not sounding the way I want them to sound.
Don't give up so fast, my son. I was in the school choir once. I know a thing or two about music too, you know.
But you see, I want to write songs too, Father. I just can't do it.
First off, think about the things that make you happy, Mutlu. Close your eyes and focus on just one.
Okay, I'm thinking, Father. Strawberries and ice cream, meatballs, Mom's pasta, yumak.
Those are nice things, you know. But I prefer the sea, the sun, and nature, of course.
Then I think of the forest and the picnics that we went on. There were cats and dogs there, and we were playing football. I'm scoring a goal. Goal!
This is it, Mutlu. Keep thinking. You'll find the song that you're looking for, trust me.
Father, have you seen Mutlu? He hasn't been playing with us lately.
Because Mutlu's mind is occupied by that music contest for school.
I hope we'll finally write a good song before the contest.
Don't worry about that, girls. I taught him everything I know about music myself.
I have been watching the trees here for the last 2 hours, but I still can't think of anything. Maybe I can find a perfect song if I watch the sky a little bit more. There's trees and sun and a frog and a hawk. There's a cup over there. There's tea and a glass. I should count that as well. Oh, I can't do it. Yumak, the song contest is coming and I still don't have a song to sing to the school. What do you think about this song? There is no chalk in the school, but I'm so happy that you know. Stuck peppers and nail pullers, I sometimes fall on the ground playing all I can. Hey, Yumak, where are you going? I was about to sing the best part of the song. Oof, even Yumak didn't like it. I think I need to get some professional help now.
They come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Nanny, they came to see all new things. Every moment, every life embraces us. Come now, come live with joy inside you.